Hi everyone, good morning. Today I want to share with you one thing very important which has helped me to actually progress at a much faster basis. Okay, and this is something which I've learned from my mentors, and I have seen a lot of successful people doing this, and which has helped them to be where they are right now. And that is decision making. Decision making sounds very simple because we do it every single day of our life. But a lot of things which we are planning to do it, okay, like starting our own business, opening a restaurant, or doing something which can help us improve in our career. Okay, planning to do something which can help us earn some passive income, and so this on the financial part. Say for example on the health part, planning to go to gym, planning to do some other sport in order to take care of our physical health. We keep on planning every single day, a lot of things in order to move forward in our life, but one thing we don't do is that we don't start doing those activities. The planning is always happening, but implementation is not happening. So one thing which I learned from a lot of people is that deciding to actually do is very important, and deciding to do or doing the implementation part within the next 24 hours is extremely important. So anything that you are planning, start within the next 24 hours, because a lot of things you may not be able to complete it. Of course, that is very, let's be very practical about it. But starting should not be a problem, because once you started, once you understand the importance of doing that activity, we don't most of the time we don't stop, right? So starting to do something within the next 24 hours is extremely important. And because this I've implemented in on my own life, and I would say that I have been planning to become an entrepreneur for so many years, okay, like literally 7 8 years from the college time onwards, okay. And but I never started because of, I would say, time challenges. Okay, I thought I'm not skilled enough. I don't have any expertise. I don't have any support to actually start my own business and so on. And I never did that. But actually understanding the importance of decision making, immediately able to start my business, and I'm now a full-time entrepreneur. Okay, I don't work for anybody right now. So what happening is that we all want to grow big in our life, career, in every area of our life, but somehow we don't actually implement it. Because I'll tell you, you might be having the same challenges, like, hey, I don't have money right now to do this, I don't have time to actually put effort on that particular activity because I have a lot of commitments. Let me tell you something, okay. At any point of time, one of the other challenges are always going to be there. But are we going to give those challenges as an excuse and stop our progress? No, we don't want to, right? So understand that one of the other challenges are going to be there. But how are we going to overcome those challenges and start those activities? That makes a lot of difference. So think about the top 1% people, top 5% people who are actually progressing at an exponential rate, and overcome your own challenges and move up in your life. So take action, take decisions within the next 24 hours. Anything that you're planning, decide or start implementing it in the next 24 hours. Take care.